Hello everybody, welcome to another How to Say in Hebrew lesson. This time I will show you 3 ways of saying good morning in Hebrew and how to use it correctly. At the end of the video, I will tell you what are the origins of the word morning in Hebrew. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The translation goes like this. Good means tov, or tov. Morning means boker, or boker. You pronounce it like so. Tov, boker. Notice that in Hebrew, in contrast to English, the adjective comes after the noun. So the right way to say it is boker tov. Boker tov, good morning. Okay, let's see another way of saying good morning in Hebrew. The second way is similar to the first way and it goes like that. Boker or boker or. The translation is boker means morning, or means light. So it's like saying morning of light. Or boker. This literally means a morning of light. Most people I know choose to say boker tov, but some do say boker or. It seems like the older the person, the greater the chance the person will say boker or. Okay, let's see the third way of saying boker tov, or good morning in Hebrew. Now the last way is kind of like English, it goes like that. Just say morning, boker, like you would say in English. Boker. In Hebrew, you can say good morning when you meet someone during the morning time or when someone wakes up from a night sleep. You can greet that person, good morning, like have a good waking up of sorts. I think this is very similar to English. The Hebrew word boker origin dates back to biblical times, even earlier than the Bible. You can see the word boker mentioned in the book of Genesis, chapter 1, 5th verse. Other parts of the day are mentioned in the same verse. Today, we use exactly the same word and the same pronunciation. To conclude, you can choose between boker tov, boker or just boker. They all mean good morning. Okay guys, that's it for today. Leave any Hebrew question you have in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.